Welcome to this guide to laundry on P&O Cruises. In this video we show you around a self-service launderette on P&O's Arvia and share information about the laundry services available on your P&O cruise. Let's start in the self-service launderette. You can find one of these on the port side of every passenger deck on Iona and Arvia. It has washing machines, dryers, ironing stations and a sink for hand washing. The laundrettes are open from 8 AM till 10 PM daily and are locked overnight. The good news is that everything is free to use, so all you need to remember are your washing tablets. If you do forget, there are biodegradable laundry sheets that look a bit like this that you can get from the onboard shop. To use one of the machines, go to the touchscreen panel on the wall and select one of the machines in green. If a machine is in red, it means it's in use. Then load your clothes into the corresponding machine and select the cycle that you want using the touchscreen controls on the machine. It will then give you a countdown timer so you know when the cycle is finished. The ironing stations are really handy, especially if you need to iron out a few creases from your clothes after unpacking. Watch until the end of this video for a special tip to avoid needing to do any ironing on your cruise. To use an iron, just press the button on the panel on the wall and it will turn green to show it's on. For safety reasons, it's on a timer, so if it goes off whilst you're ironing, just simply press the button again to turn it back on. If the thought of having to do the washing and ironing on your cruise holiday doesn't sound appealing and you'd much rather be enjoying some of the other more exciting things that your cruise has to offer, you can choose to have any essential items taken care of by the cruise ship's laundry service. In your cabin, you'll find a laundry order form with all the prices for individual items. To give you an example, a shirt is £5 to wash and press or £3 just to press. To take a look at the full price list and services, I'd recommend checking out our P&O Cruise Laundry Guide on cruiselifestyle.co.uk. The link is in this video's description. In your cabin, you'll also find a couple of laundry bags to put any items you need cleaning in, with the order form to be collected by your cabin steward. Leave it out before 10 AM and it will be returned to you within 2 days. If you really don't want to do any ironing on your cruise, we would recommend bringing along a crease release spray. You simply spray the crease release onto the item and then you rub the creases away. You hang it up, it will work brilliantly. So if you really don't want to go ironing, go anywhere near the laundry room during your cruise, we would definitely recommend purchasing this item. We will leave a link in the description. If you found this quick guide to laundry on P&O Cruises useful, please hit the like button now.